As a man in his 30s, if you're still doing hundreds of crunches to strengthen your core, you might want to invest your time in more rewarding endeavors. Let's cut to the chase. No amount of crunches will help you build the kind of strength you really need. Rather, the constant spinal flexion may put a strain on your spine and increase your risk of lower back pain. Regular crunching may make you feel the burn, but in reality, you're barely engaging your deep core muscles. In today's video, we'll walk you through much better alternatives that actually make your core stronger. Stay tuned and enjoy. Starting in their 30s, many men don't have the solid core they think they do, and the reasons aren't far-fetched. Generally, adults lose 3 to 5% of muscle mass per decade after age 30, but this natural process known as sarcopenia only tells half the story. It's compounded by poor posture, past injuries, and sedentary lifestyle, lack of regular physical activity, or poor exercise techniques. Some guys blame their belly fat on diet alone, but the truth is the bulge is more visible because the abdominal muscles aren't strong enough to support the spine. Core strength is directly tied to most movements, and it improves body image by extension. Now that you know hundreds of crunches won't target the muscles necessary for a rock-solid core, you need functional core workouts to develop real strength. By training your midsection, back hip flexors, and glutes. Adding planks to your routine is a great place to start. The plank and its many variations are isometric, meaning they create tension by resisting gravity. They can also be adjusted to suit different fitness levels. Next, try the hollow body hold. It's similar to the plank but more challenging for your hip flexors and lower back. Then incorporate a standing move like the landmine rotation. It mimics natural twisting motions and carries over into sports like tennis, golf, and everyday activities that involve rotational strength. Before we get to the nitty-gritty of each workout, remember this: proper form is everything. Whichever variation of plank you choose is good for the core, as long as you use the right technique. For the forearm plank, begin face down, forearms and elbows on the floor. Keep your legs extended behind you, and make sure it's a straight line from your head to your toes. If you're a beginner, hold for 10 seconds and work your way up. To get the most of your planks, don't sag your hips or arch your back. Keep your hips lifted, avoid bending your knees, so your glutes and quads stay fully engaged. As simple as hollow holds look, they bring the heat when done right. Lie on your back and place your feet together. Raise both feet a couple of inches off the floor. Extend your arms overhead. Keep your biceps parallel to your ears. Hold that position for your target time. Here's where many 30-plus men get it wrong, so avoid these mistakes. Lifting your back off the floor stops engaging your core and pressures your spine. Another common issue, neck position. Jutting your chin forward strains your neck and may cause injury. Keep your neck long and your head in line with your spine. If you struggle with the hold, try modifying versions, like the dead bug or feet on the floor variations. For the landmine rotation, secure the barbell in a landmine attachment. Place your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Grip the bar with overlapping hands. Turn your shoulders to rotate the barbell around your body. Then switch sides for your set number of reps. Avoid the all too common mistake of stacking too much weight. That'll only hinder your performance. Above all, maintain a slow, controlled tempo and breathe deeply into your stomach to optimize effectiveness. Chiseled abs are great, but prioritizing these core moves will give you so much more. They'll keep your spine aligned, reduce your risk of lower back pain, and improve your posture. You'll even notice the benefits in your everyday tasks, carrying groceries, lifting kids, or playing sports. Whether it's a warm-up, finisher, or a separate session, you need to integrate a core workout into your weekly routine. Just make sure you maintain proper form to maximize your gains. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and of course don't forget to subscribe to the channel.